Oh God, we're dead. This is double wrapped.
Double wrapped?
We did it matte black before.
Oh and then metallic, yeah?
Yep. Take this wrap off, that's gonna be fun. Alright, so we got this 488 back. We're gonna return it back to stock. Unfortunately, this car was wrapped 2 times. As you can see here, it is red, and this is actually satin black, and this is brush black. So it's got 2 layers of wrap. We did it this way for protection, and also not to remove everything off the first time. So we had double protection this whole time, which is cool. But now the problem is we have a lot of work to do to take this wrap off. So again, another RDB problem. When we do things right, it's always harder to reverse it. So.
There you go. Looks like you have boobs and everything. Oh, here's your hat.
Yeah, let me put the hat on.
I don't know how you want to adjust that. There you go.
Look at that. I don't even look sick anymore. Let me hide this thing. Just watching your videos every day made me happy. Made the time fly by easier.
Easier, right?
Oh my God, yeah. But keep doing what you're doing and throw stuff at people.
I will.
That makes me laugh.
Yeah, I will.
That makes me happy.
Yeah, we're gonna move on to like sharper things now.
Yes, please do.
Yeah.
Or Mexican candy suckers.
Yeah, they stick nicely.
Oh my God, you won't believe how much. I'm telling them that you guys were a big part of this.
Oh yes.
And I wanted to wait 6 months until I looked like this. You know, a little better than before.
You look good all along. It doesn't matter.
Oh yeah, you know it's all about attitude, man.
Yeah. Doesn't matter. You just gotta be
even
happy.
if you're dying.
Let's not get hit by a
Yeah,
car.
exactly. Well, that would be nice to be hit.
Yeah. That would be a nice check.
I had the visit of these 3 guys, including Vic, of course.
Yeah.
That's why I say 3. A couple months ago at the hospital, and I used to tell them that I think you're the one that makes me laugh the most.
That's good.
And I truly appreciate that. I really do.
I'm glad.
Because I know you do it for the people out there, and I'm one of them.
That's cool.
So thank you, man. I appreciate it. Do you mind if we take a picture?
I'm glad you're doing good too.
Yeah, just go. If you go a little higher, you can see us.
Yeah.
Right there. See that?
Try to go lower because my hair looks fuller.
Right there.
I'm just kidding.
It looks nice. It looks nice. Oh, you got business to handle. Thank you.
No, he doesn't do anything either.
See you again. How are you?
I'm very happy everything came to truth, right?
I'm
You
excited.
said you're gonna come here, so.
I did. I promised and I delivered. I'm doing great. Little by little. Hopefully one of these days I have arms like you, but I'm working on them little by little.
Yeah, man.
Maybe I'll come back in 3 or 4 years and
Let's go.
you never know, right? My daughter's really excited about this one. But yeah, thank you, Vic. I appreciate it, man.
Of course, man.
It's great to see you again.
too,
And I don't want to
too.
take a lot of your time
Yeah, man.
because I know you guys
It's
are
all
busy.
We're here
But,
anytime
thank
you
you.
want to come.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you for everything.
We have the Mclaren right here again, the highlighter, the crazy bright Mclaren 720. You guys already saw that. We're gonna be doing an update to it. As you see in my hand, we have this really strong pink, fuchsia, whatever you want to call it. It's also a highlighter type pink, neon. So that is gonna go on parts of that. We haven't figured out where yet, but the customer wants to add a little bit of color. I advised against this, but my customer is sometimes he's bored. So we're gonna be adding some pink on there. Oh my God, he's back. Anything to like lag it? Go!
Why did you just come back?
I don't know, bro. He's
Give me middle finger, bro.
Ah!
Hey, how did your neck turn?
is how you make a family car look cool. Honestly, all we did to this car is the wrap. Literally, with just a wrap, you can make something like this look really, really fun and enjoyable. This is a satin white, but it has a little bit of gold pearl in it. So it's not your basic satin white. This car is really cool because, again, it's that new BMW. It's got 3 rows. It's really big lights, big front grille, all that stuff. So looks really awesome, honestly. And this white actually complements it really well. There's a few things on this car that we didn't do that I don't necessarily enjoy. One, wheels. Looks like somebody just sprayed them. So there's some issues with the wheels. So don't judge us for that. Also, the M signs on there are not supposed to be there with the car. So customer likes that whole M look, so he put those on there. We just replaced them back in the same place. Other than that, we just did the wrap. If you like big SUVs, this is a really nice car, honestly. The screen's huge, got a lot of technology. You could control the radio with your fingers, all kinds of stuff. And obviously you could fit a lot of people in this car. So really cool from BMW. This car grows on you too as far as appearance. It's not the best looking car at first, but nowadays I've realized any new car that comes out, nobody likes how it looks from the beginning. It just grows on you and you start really liking the cars. Just like the Urus. I originally did not like the Urus and now I love it. So pretty crazy, but you know, you start getting used to it and you start liking it. So this is one of those cars, especially if you have a family. It doesn't feel like you're driving a big car, which is awesome. It's very smooth. Feels like you're driving a small little BMW actually. So really, really dope for what it is. If you're interested, we definitely recommend it. And now we are back at the shop, which is always a mission because it is loaded with cars. So yeah, let's go give Moses a hard time.
The real M has 4 mufflers. The bumper is different. 3.5s, 5.0s, they have the reflector. When you start the car, here it's have to show, is it a 3.5, is it a 5.0, or it's M. This is why they make the space, so it will show 3.5, 5.0. Usually if it's a 5.0, it will show 5.0. If it's M, it will show M. This is the X7, so it's the longer one for like a huge family and everything, but I like the X5. The M is different, the shifter is different on the M. Those things you can buy it. It's not hard to buy those things. On the 3.5s and 5.0s, there's an M package. But it's not, it doesn't mean that's an M. Oh, the M is different. When you start up the car, it's a whole different sound. See? It shows M850i. So if it's if it's 840, maybe it's not gonna show, but M8 or M50i, it will show. And the start, everything is different. And I still have to watch my cars.
This is the most off-roading I'll do. '24s, 24 by 13 in the back, 355 tires, off-roading on Melrose, picking up money, business tips, membership online. Sign up now. Lots of information.